Rights Day basically plays a role in supporting, motivating, and celebrating the rights of a human being. It is a global event where everyone celebrates and enjoys their rights. The Human Rights Day make people and our new upcoming generation aware of the rights that a human being has. Any type of violation or harm is a threat to our humankind, and each step taken in the direction to protect these rights is in the interest of peace, which is the need of the hour. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Every year on December 10th, Human Rights Day is celebrated worldwide. It was on this day in the year 1948 when the United Nations General Assembly adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, a document that outlines the fundamental rights of all people that must be protected universally. This day is celebrated to create awareness among people's social, cultural and physical rights. On this day, the United Nations encourages nations to create equal opportunities for all its citizens.
International Human Rights Day is celebrated across the globe by the people to achieve rights for human beings. This day is celebrated with an aim to improve physical and socio-cultural well-being and welfare of the susceptible group of people throughout the world. Few reasons for celebrating this day are as follows: to leverage the awareness about human rights among the people and across the globe, to interact and celebrate in association to discuss and highlight the crucial issues of human rights.
Hello everyone, make sure you like this video and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon to be notified on every update from Little Flower High School, Abbots.